Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do rose themed DIYs, so let's get started. I got those Dollar Tree roses and I spray painted gold. The leaves, I attached the leaves, and those tiny buds that you see, they're like a tiny spoons from the party section. And I attached the beaded garland and spray painted all together and attached to this wall plaque. So I didn't make a video of this, so I thought like I should recreate it in a miniature form. So like you saw the process, that was one of the canvas from Dollar Tree, and that is the cotton yarn. I created like a stem effect to it using hot glue, and I stuck some of those wooden beads and the leaves of the rose, and those tiny bud roses, I just stuck it just to recreate the same way. And I spray painted with metallic gold, and I'm absolutely loving this, so let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Flower of the Month Challenge, and this is hosted by DIY Deanna the Crafty Magnolia and co-hosted by Sun's Arts, which is me. I'll leave the link of her channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. that she's holding. Using aluminum foil and paper towel, I created her head and I stuck the leaves as her hair. And using a baker's twine, I created some headband and stuck one of the baby's breath, her decor. And this is one of the bud as her necklace. So I'm just loving this beautiful rose fairy. I hope you also like it. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. So here is another rose project that I made. And these are the huge rose wallflowers. And the blue construction paper is from Michael's. And the yellow is from Dollar Tree, I think. And I made these huge flowers. And I created like a flower shower as a headboard behind the bed. And I'll leave the link of this video as well in the description box so you can check this out. And this is another flower for the used perfume bottle. This is also another used perfume bottle, like attach some of the flower roses like drooping through. I'll leave the links of this as well. And this is another rose project, and this is all from Dollar Tree. The construction paper, I made roses with that, and the frame I got during Halloween time, and I spray painted golden. And I'll leave the link of this video as well in the description box for you to check out. And this is another rose project. I created those small roses from different construction papers, and that's a used perfume bottle, and I created this project. So I'll also leave the link of this project as well in my description box. And this is one of the Fairy Tales Enchanted Rose DIY, and this is completely from Dollar Tree. The cloche, the red rose, and the small makeup mirror, and the fairy lights. And this is inspired from Beauty and Beast. I'll leave the link of this video as well in the description box for you to check out. And another one, these are the sculpted roses, and it was inspired from one of the art piece. And I'll leave the link of this as well in my description box so you can check this out. You can tell I'm in love with roses. I love roses, so I made so many projects. I want to share this also. And these two projects are Kate Spade inspired. So I wanted to do one with the polka dotted and one with the stripes. So yeah, here it is. I'll leave the links of this as well for you to check. So these are the few simple and easy rose projects that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you also like it, and please leave any comments that you would like to give towards my channel. That would help my channel grow. And like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.